about the Cook Islands Asset Protection Trust. The Cook Islands are located south of Hawaii. It's in the same time zone. And we found it to have the strongest asset protection case law history in the world. It's not just theory, but each time we've seen it tested, it has protected the client's assets from lawsuits. Quite simply, local courts do not have jurisdiction over foreign trustees. The local court says, give me the money, and in the Cook Islands, it falls on deaf ears. I've been in the asset protection business for over 27 years. I teach seminars to attorneys, CPAs, and other business people. And we're talking today about what many asset protection experts agree is the strongest asset protection in the world, the Cook Islands Trust. Now, when we set up a trust, we want to give you the remote control. So we set up an LLC and put it inside the trust, and we make you the manager. We established the LLC in the Caribbean island of Nevis because it offers the best protection. You control the company, you're the signer on the bank account, and your account does not need to be in the Cook Islands, but it can be in any financial institution in the world that offers a financial safe haven. Now, when the bad thing happens, you can temporarily give the management of the LLC to the trustee. Now, the trustee is licensed and bonded. It's a law firm in the Cook Islands, and by license, we mean they went through intensive background checks to get a license, and by bonded, we mean the law firm is insured. Plus, we use a company that we've been using for over 25 years. So for client safety and peace of mind, the only time the trustee steps in is when the courts would take the money. So the question is, would you rather have a 100% chance of your money being taken by the courts, or would you rather have a licensed bonded trustee, a law firm that has never taken a client's money, do what you've paid them to do, and that's to protect your money? Now, when the bad thing goes away, you have the string of control, the management of the Nevis LLC that goes back to you, and you're back in the driver's seat with all of your money intact. In the meantime, if you have bills to pay during legal duress, the trustee can take care of them for you. You can have the trustee pay a trusted friend or relative who provides money to you, etc. So you have access to the money, but your enemies at law do not. The bottom line is that everything you've worked so hard for is safe and secure. Now, the best asset protection the trust provides is for liquid assets held offshore. The U.S. courts have jurisdiction over U.S. bank accounts and real estate. So you can put your real estate in the Nevis LLC or record mortgages against your property payable to the Nevis LLC. And then when the bad thing happens, we have an offshore trustee, a finance company, that can buy those mortgages and deposit the proceeds into your offshore trust beyond the reach of the local courts. Then when the bad thing happens, it's better to sell the real estate or mortgage it to the hilt than lose it altogether. We set up a lot of these trusts for attorneys and law firms. The attorneys in turn charge between $30,000 to $50,000. We can establish a Cook Island trust for you for a fraction of that amount. So if you have questions, you can give us a call at 1-800-959-8819. Thank you.